Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how I can do modified grabs in hedge mode. So what we'll need to do is go to the hedge mode, as you can see right here, and then just do modified grabs. So find where you can jump and get some air, and to do grab you'll need to in air hold it on L2 button and you'll do a grab. But to do modified, just hold joystick like this and you'll do a modified grab like this. So as you can see, let's try it again. Let's find where we can jump better. So I think this will do. As you can see, this is modified grab. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to comment down below and subscribe to me. See you in the next one.